Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can use email marketing on Cash App. So, let's jump right into it. When it comes to Cash App, there's no built-in feature for direct email marketing like you might see with traditional e-commerce platforms. However, you can still use email marketing strategies to promote your Cash App account, services, or business. Here's how it works. First, you need to build an email list of your customers or audience. You can do this by offering something valuable like discounts, exclusive content, or special services in exchange for their email addresses. Once you have your email list, you can start sending out emails that promote your Cash App tag, for example. You might send a newsletter offering a service and tell people they can pay you instantly through Cash App by using your $cash tag. Make sure your emails are clear, professional, and include a strong call to action like pay easily with Cash App at $your tag. You can also include a direct link to your Cash App profile if you're using a payment link. Remember, the key to successful email marketing is to stay consistent, provide value, and make it super easy for your customers to pay or interact with you. While Cash App doesn't handle the email part itself, combining it with email marketing tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or even simple Gmail newsletters can help you grow your payments and customer base. And that's it, you're done.